Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the shop. It's busier than ever around here, man. Got to get the GSR motor prepped and ready to go into the CRX. We've got to get it into the CRX. Madspeed Series sold that 4-door and it is out of here. Alvin from the Fearon shop, he stopped by. We got a package, guys. It's just been busy around here. But make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end because my man James, he's got a bunch of information about classic Hondas on the Dragon. It's coming up. It's only 3 months away. It's time to start getting ready, man. So stay tuned all the way to the end. Make sure you don't miss that. But right now I want to show you guys how I got this motor prepped and how I got it in this car. finally made it this far, man. That motor has been on the floor in here for like weeks, man. It's summertime and there's always something to do, but finally I got enough time to at least get it set in there. There's still a whole lot to do. Nothing's really hooked up. I had to take the exhaust manifold heat shield off in order to get it in there because it was such a tight squeeze, but other than that, it went in with all the normal hassle and aggravation that it normally takes to put a B-Series in a CRX. Trip around the block. Oh, it smells like memories. All right, well, we appreciate it, man. And send me a friend's request on Facebook and we'll keep up.
All right, thank you very much.
If you got any questions, feel free to reach out. Man, have a safe trip, man.
Thank you.
All right. Always, brother, always. That's it, man. But we're gonna wrap it up and get back. Paul, my man, Fox Designs just sent us a little package. Dude, it's full of stickers. Wagging, and this guy's got a killer sticker after sticker. This one is so cool. Bro, we need some more of these. Thanks so much, Fox Designs, for the package, bro.
Yo! Madspeed Tour to Classic Hondas on the Dragon. Man, I'm so excited just to make this video that the time's coming, that we're getting close. Friday, October the 3rd, the Madspeed crew is departing from Wilmington. Friday night, you know we'll be at Airport Honda in Alcoa, Tennessee. Couple of quick things. The trip is pretty basic, pretty much the same times and the same stops as last year. Trying to keep this thing routine. It does take the northern route. It's 20 minutes longer to go north through Virginia, but I-40 is still shut down part way. Go ahead and map it out. All those mountains are so big. We got 5 or 6 truck and trailers this year. It's just a much easier route. Plus, we want to catch the northern boys from New York, New Jersey, Ohio, whatever, coming down 81. We've had close to 30 on the whole route in years past, but already confirmed over 30. Boy, we're gonna get 50 this year, and that's been my goal since day one. Couple things, just some details to make the trip a little easier. Couple things to make the trip a little easier for you. That's a long day on the road. It's 7 hours from Wilmington to Maryville, but it takes us all day with the stops, with the cruise, with all that. My suggestion is stay on the northern side if you're riding on the tour, because when we get done with that night meet at Airport Honda, if you're staying on the south side of the Dragon, that's another hour and a half. Saturday's meet is right up on the north side at the school, as we all know. The cruise comes in on the north side. We get there late, we get unloaded late. Yeah, we make a rip late on the Dragon, some guys do, but it's just a whole lot easier. We're right there in the morning, and then Sunday's travels are on the south side. Friday morning, if you're on the East Coast, we're leaving Wilmington about 7 o'clock in the morning. 9:30, we're rolling out of Raleigh. 11:30, 12 o'clock, we're in Winston-Salem. About 2 o'clock, 2:30, we're in Glade Springs, Virginia. And then about 6 o'clock, 6:30, we're at Airport Honda in Alcoa, Tennessee. So come join us, ride with us, cruise with us. We got 5 or 6 truck and trailers. We got tools, we got help. We got a Honda community ready to ride, just like the old school days. My favorite part of the whole weekend, the drive there and the drive back. Ripping the Dragon is no doubt fun and exciting, but as far as a full day of riding, this is it. Riding with the crew, riding with your crew, cruising by, doing 55 miles an hour just like we're supposed to, just chilling out and looking cool. So let's go Friday, October 3rd on our trip to Classic Hondas on the Dragon.
Thanks for hanging out with us on this one, guys. Classic Hondas on the Dragon is coming up fast. Like I said, only 3 months away, so I hope you're getting ready. We're certainly getting prepped over here. Can't wait to see you guys there or on the next one. But until then,
stay mad.
guys, thanks so much for watching our videos. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that button down below. It really helps out the channel. Prepping this GSR. I've been prepping this GSR. Prepping the GSR to get into the CRX.
Yo.
Ah, shit, man. That's...
Yo.
Yeah, what happens first? Shit.
Pretty basic, pretty much. The trip is pretty much basically.
Thanks, man.
Stay mad. Stay mad. Stay mad.